This literature kit on Hamlet by William Shakespeare makes the study of this play more enjoyable for struggling readers. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Determine whether statements about Hamlet's interaction with the ghost are true or false. Explain what conclusion Polonius made from Ophelia's report and what course of action he decided on. Describe what Hamlet sees that convinces him of his uncle's guilt. Become familiar with Shakespearean language by understanding the meaning of key vocabulary words. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing your own interpretation of Hamlet's famous to be or not to be soliloquy. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Track Hamlet's state of mind as he descends into madness. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.